This 5-minute solution will show you how to host a Discord movie night. Follow these easy steps to set up a Discord movie night. Open your Discord and go to the server where you want to stream movie. And now we will create a new channel for movie night. So click on this plus icon. And here select voice channel and give the channel name movie night and click on create channel. Once the channel created, now join to the channel and click on share your screen. And now you have to select your applications. If you select screen, then only your screen will be stream, not your sound. So you have to select application, and now you have to select the application where you are streaming your movie. And now you can change the stream quality from here. You can change the resolution, frame rate, then click on go live. And as you can see, I'm live now. So this is how we can host a Discord movie night. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minutes Solution. See you in the next video.